7 things you must do to make 2021 an incredible year for you. And what the hell happened in 2020? Here's your predictions for 2021. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Want to remind you that 2021 is a year of the subconscious mind. If you have your subconscious mind working in the direction of your dreams and goals, you're going to be much more likely to achieve what you desire. Visit miraclehypnosisonline.com. We have over 25, 30 different audio programs that you can listen to empower your subconscious mind and help you manifest the life that you absolutely desire. It's an incredible place, and you can try it out for 7 days. Absolutely free. miraclehypnosisonline.com. Okay, high flyers. What the hell happened in 2020? We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about a prediction for you for 2021. And I'm going to give you some ideas on what you can do to make 2021 an incredible year for you. I think it's best described by the ancients. You see, everything is secular. Everything vibrates in the universe. It's one of the principles of hermetics. It's really what the law of attraction is based on, high flyers. Everything vibrates. And so 2019, we had a great year. 2020, it was terrible. Everybody was locked down. We had this virus plague all over the place. But now 2021. We are coming out of it. So the ancients would describe this as IAO. They call it a formula, IAO. And it's based on ancient Egyptian deities, but in the Greek. Isis, Apophis, Osiris. And what it simply means is that in the Isis stage, 2019, we have all this growth. We have this new birth of energy. And then 2020, we have this destructive phase, the Apophis phase. And in this phase, it's often referred to as death, because all of a sudden, everything that was growing in 2019 starts to die in 2020. But then, according to the formula, 2021 is the Osiris stage. This is the rebirth or resurrection stage. This is your year. I don't care what you did. If you did $1 million in 2020, you can rebirth that to $2 million in 2021. If you had a horrible marriage and it broke up and it tore apart in 2020, 2021 is your year for love. That's a simple formula, and it really applies. I've noticed that it applies to almost everything in life. So we are in the rebirth stage right now. High flyers, there's 2 ways to look at what happened in 2020. Way number 1 is, why does everything happen to me? Why did my girlfriend leave me? Why did my husband break up with me? Why did my business get closed down and fail? Why did my employees leave me? Why did this happen? Why did that happen? Why does everything happen to me? The other way to look at it is, why does everything happen for me? Everything that happened in 2020 is designed to prepare you for 2021. So whatever you went through in 2020, you are now more prepared for the success and happiness and joy and prosperity and love that you deserve and desire in 2021. You may have felt like a boat without a rudder, going nowhere, like a cork on the water. going forward and backward, forward and backward. But high flyers, 2021 is about you becoming the motor of your boat and the rudder. You are the engine, the force by which you travel, and you are the steering component by which you choose the direction of your dreams and goals. So, high flyers, your prediction for 2021 is very good. I mean, you're going to manifest exactly what you desire and probably a lot more if you have clear and concise intentions and you stay calm. You see, when you have clear and concise intentions, you're automatically calm. I know where I'm going. I know what I'm working on. I know what my life is about. Number 2, reset your home and work environment. We have changed all the pictures around here. We've gotten rid of a lot of the clutter. Declutter, get rid of the garbage that you don't use anymore. Find somebody else that sees it as a treasure and give it to them. Clear out your closet. Clear out your old clothing. Clear out your house. Reorganize your books. Make your house a specialized work environment and love environment for 2021. Well, high flyers, give yourself daily time with source energy around you and within you. Even if you meditate for just 5 minutes a day, in a short time, source is going to start inspiring you. The word inspire means in the spirit. You're going to be more inspired. When you feel that inspired energy, take inspired action. Do it now. Write it down below here. Do it now. Get excited about it. This is your year. Claim it. This is your time. High flyers, Rachel and I sat down. We put our hands together. We connected with source energy, and we claimed 2021 as our year and 2022. You claim 2021 right now. Say it. I claim it. This is my year. I'm going to take inspired action, and I'm going to do it on a daily basis. Well, high flyers, you don't know exactly what you need to know in order to do what you desire to do, which means get the specialized knowledge that you need. Find the books, the courses, the mentors. I just think everybody benefits by having a good mentor. And I know I have several mentors that I go to, that I work with. And so I'm very lucky. And then I have other miracle mentors that I've trained that I feel confident to share who I am with them. When you have that kind of resource, it's incredible what you can do. I mean, you could just make things happen because you have specialized knowledge, the knowledge you need to achieve and to master and to manifest what you desire in 2021. Well, high flyers, how much of our time is wasted with unresourceful people, people that have negative attitudes, people that want to see us fail, people that are jealous or envious of us? How much time are you putting in with those kinds of people? 2021 is about moving out of that 2020 energy of stagnation and cultivating special friendships, special partnerships, special agreements with people, and finding those special people, attracting them to you by becoming the highest version of yourself and attracting those people to you, because the world is so much richer. And you are so much more capable of doing whatever you desire when you have specialized people around you that can help you and you can help them. Law of reciprocity. You're helping each other. It's a good thing. And number 6, you just remember this. You are responsible, or as I like to say it, you are response-able. You have the ability to respond. You're able to respond to any situation. Don't put it off. Don't procrastinate. Don't wait for tomorrow. Respond, 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 and move forward in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I believe 2021 is your year to claim. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.